Oh, fuck. Hey guys, I'm Elliott. This is Everything Elliott, and this is an ESAB or ESAB. I mean, there's no O, but I have heard people call it ESAB. I'm going to pronounce it ESAB because it's an A. ESAB 285i. You can see it's a Rebel. That's the brand name. And yeah, I've been using an ESAB Mig Master 250, and don't mind the water, right? We had a little leak here, but I've been using this Mig Master 250 for the past, I don't know, 5 years, and ESAB got a hold of me and said, hey, we think it's time to upgrade. We want to send you a new welder. I am by no means a professional welder, and this thing has more options than I know what to do with. Apparently you can MIG, flux core, stick, lift, TIG. It's got 50 and 60 hertz and a 3-year warranty. So just, if you want to pause to see what this thing is, or if you want to learn French, there's some French there for you. But yeah, there's the English. If you want to pause, see what it comes with, check that out. So I think it's only fitting that we get this thing opened up and see what's inside. More cardboard. Oh, it's a box. It's a box. Hold on. Styrofoam. I probably should have did this on the ground. Styrofoam. Styrofoam. All right. A box in a box. This is like one of those, what are those things called? Russian nesting dolls. Right here. All right, I can see yellow. We're getting somewhere. All right, that didn't work. There we go. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Yeah. Looks like a welder. Ooh, one of my favorite parts. Got some forbidden salt. Don't eat it. We got what appears to be a power cord up top. And let's see if we're lucky enough that this is the same power cord I have. Remember, cut towards your buddy, not your body. All right, this is not the same power cord. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But that's a tomorrow problem, not a today problem. Shoo! Oh, this is much cleaner than mine. Some books, a USB stick, meh. All right, let's close this. We don't need anything in there right now. So in that other box that I originally pulled out, the first box inside a box, that's all of our leads. Let's grab that and take a look what's in there. Yep. This is welding stuff. All right. Plastic bag, don't need that. Spraymaster with Velocity consumables. Reading. Junk. All right, so this is gonna be our MIG handle, I guess, for lack of better terms. I don't know, those in the business might know if there's a different term for a handle. That's what I like to call it. I guess we could just get everything out of here. Everything that we need. So ESAB actually sent me an entire pallet of things, and since on the welding table we're running out of space, it's only fitting that we get this box open. All right. Well, this is a welding cart. If you want to know what's in these boxes, you're gonna have to subscribe because that'll be upcoming. Holy cow, is this heavy. like magic. Oh, I thought it'd be standing up. All right. Magic. Imagine this fits in there somehow. No instructions? There, tank strap. So the cool thing about this machine is it's smart. Now, if you look right here, it says select process, which we're going to be MIG welding. You select the wire diameter, you select the material type, and it says just do that and the smart MIG will figure out the rest. So if you're a beginner welder, this might be right there. This might be the machine for you. I mean, it's going to do it for me. It's going to adjust for me. That's kind of cool, because on my old welder, you were twisting dials and guessing and faster, slower, and this one's going to do it for me. Now, unfortunately, like I said, I don't have the proper electrical connection. I got to figure that out. And we're going to have to figure out some stuff for this cart. I'd like to figure something out what to do with the wires. I'd prefer not to hang them off the handles there. I don't know what that solution's going to be yet, but I guess we'll figure it out. So I have the entire welder set up. Now, I don't have wire in it and I don't have electricity to it because I still haven't figured out the plug situation. That is for an electrician to figure out how I make 3 prongs fit into 4. Shouldn't be too bad. I don't know if I just have to replace that receptacle, but what I'm kind of thinking is I'd like a reel on this thing. So that cord's only like 10 feet long. I'd like a reel on there so I can, I don't know, go weld back there. So I've got to figure that out, but the nice thing about this machine is it will actually run on 110. And I have the adapter right here, came with it to run it on 110. So we can at least plug it into 110 and power it up and see what happens. Oh, sure. So I think SMIG stands for Smart MIG. Then if you actually know what you're doing, you can do regular MIG, flux core, stick welding, lift TIG, settings, and the user manual. Well guys, that's gonna be it. The welder is set up. Like I said, I gotta figure out the electricity situation because honestly, I'm not gonna weld on 110 with this unit. It's just not going to show the potential that it can do. So in the near future, we're going to be doing a little bit of modification to this cart. Like I said, I want to put a reel on it, like an extension cord reel. That way I can use more than just this 10 feet here. And once I do that, I mean, we're ready to rock and roll. Because once I figure out the extension cord, we'll be able to put it into my 220 line and we'll really be able to stick some welds together. Stick some welds together? No, you stick metal together with welds. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We're going to try our hand at some fabrication.